Hello and welcome back friends to this new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can bypass some of the restrictions provided by Windows 11 while installation. Now I have shown you some of methods to install Windows 11 on unsupported PCs using Rufus creation tool and some DLL file. But here, if you have normally downloaded an ISO file from Microsoft website and created a USB stick for installation, so during the installation, if your PC is unsupported, you will get this error message that your PC can't run Windows 11. For this, we are going to use command prompt to bypass all these checks. Now, if you get this error, you need to just go back to the previous window like here and press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard to bring about the command prompt. Here you need to type regedit and press enter, and in the regedit you go to H key local machine, then to system, then to setup, right click on setup and click new key. Name this exactly lab config. Then click on any other place to confirm the name. Go to this empty area, right click, click new dword 32-bit value and type the name bypass TPM check. The name should be exactly shown here. Then again click new and create a dword 32-bit value. This time name it bypass secure boot check. Now you have to set both these keys to 1. So double click on it and set it as 1 and click OK. After that, just close these windows and proceed with the installation as normally. Now you can see the secure boot and TPM check is bypassed and you can proceed with the normal installation. Next is another restrictions that Windows 11 has put in its newest versions, that you cannot create an offline account. It will force you to create an online account even if you are not connected to the internet. As you can see, there is no option to go back or to select I don't have internet connection. So to bypass this, again you need to press Shift and F10 to bring the command prompt and type ipconfig /release and press enter. Let it do its thing. Then click close after it has completed and then go back, and now you can see you are given the option to create an offline account. So now you can give your offline account here, give a password and click next and proceed with the installation. And also you can uncheck and deselect all the privacy settings here and proceed with the normal installation. These restrictions are present in the latest version of Windows ISOs, and by using this trick you can bypass and install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC. So if you have liked this video, share and subscribe to my channel for more such DIY videos. Till then, meet you in the next video. Goodbye.